let me introduce myself. My name is Jose Argentina and my course is BSA Block A, and I discuss about spiritual aspects of the self and digital aspect of the self. And I discuss spiritual aspect of the self. The spiritual aspect of the self is the part of a person that seeks the seeks meaning, purpose, and connecting beyond the physical or material world. It is about understanding who you truly are, what you believe in, what gives your life direction. These aspects helps you develop values such as love, kindness, compassion, and inner peace. It can be expressed through prayer, meditation, reflection, or simplify living with gratitude and mindfulness. Example: when you are meditate, play, or reflect on the meaning of your life, you are nurturing your spiritual self. And the digital aspect of the self is how you present, express, and interact with others in the online world. It includes your social media profiles, online communication, and the digital content you share or consume. This aspect reflects your identity in the digital space and show how you are technology responsibly and respectfully. It also includes being aware of digital ethics, privacy, and the impact of your online behavior. Example: when you post positive message online, protect your privacy and communicate respectfully on social media, you are showing a healthy digital self. The simple terms: the spiritual self connects you to your inner world and purpose. The, the digital self connect you to other through technology and online. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.